Hello friends, this is Dr. Bhavdeep Ahuja here. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Must tell you all that this YouTube channel is only for my colleagues. This is my way of payback to the society, in which I say make small videos and webinars, conduct webinars for the betterment of our community. This is my way of giving back to my profession. So there is a featured video of my YouTube channel on pricing, which is the biggest pricing mistake. As I told you in that video, that I'll be making quite a few videos on pricing, as I have a whole list of published articles on pricing. So let us see other pricing mistakes. In that video, I had told you that the biggest pricing mistake according to me was the underpricing, which dentists do. So let me divulge another mistake which dentists do commit, and that is our pitfall sometimes when we consider that we are not able to grow as much as we want. So the biggest mistake other than undercharging is that dentists wish to spread the word कि हम एरिया में सबसे cheapest हैं. That is their biggest pitfall. Being expensive is not a crime. Being expensive is not an abuse. Remember this thing. So when there are 6 to 7, of course, these days there are more than 6 to 7 dentists in each area, cutting into each other's pie. But considering the amount of population we have, which is aware, we all can prosper and live, say, healthily without actually backbiting about each other. So if we wish to keep ourselves lowest, healthcare is not about targets and pricing only. Remember, if you seriously think so, believe me, you are badly mistaken. So अगर आप अपने आप को you keep yourself lowest, you'll make yourself a target for window shoppers who will actually be looking to find a good deal or a good package rather than a good dentist. So the lower charge will also send a wrong signal sometimes. Especially some first timers may find your say deal or your pricing appropriate to them, but sooner or later they will also start finding faults in that, and price can never be a substitute for quality. Remember always. So when you want to do high quality patients with long treatment say sittings and plan, you need to actually say send a good message, and price is a very good message to send across. Cheap price is a very bad message to send across. So if your cost of living increases every year, COVID times discounted, just go back to last year 2018, September 2018. What were your charges for your annual living, your cost of living? अगर उस वक्त आपने उस मंथ में अपने लिविंग के लिए, अपने घर के राशन के लिए, and all those bills you have paid, if you have spent around 50,000, in September 2019 you would have spent around 55,000. Whatever the government figures and numbers will say, government figures बोलते हैं 4%, 5%, 6% inflation, but actual cost of living increases by 10%. You have to remember that. And if you are not increasing your charges annually, or at least once in 2 years, who will compensate for that increase in charges? सरकार भी हर साल DA देती है कि नहीं, DNS allowance to the government employees, of course, not to us. So correspondingly, you also need to increase your charges. If you still wish to spread the word that you are the cheapest in the area, you're committing a mistake. So annually, what I believe that charges for the startup clinic means 0 to 3 years, I consider them startups, they should at least increase their charges by 2 to 3%. Beyond that, minimum 5%, and for an average settled clinic close to say 9 to 10 years plus, he should increase minimum 10%, and further going up to 20% depending upon your target group. Remember, target group is a very important phenomenon in deciding what are your charges and how your charges will continue to pan up for your patients. And these days many local IDA branches have also come up with minimum charge list. And the only thing is that if you need to inculcate new things in your practice, you need to offer the same to your patients as well. And when those things are inculcated, they come at a cost. And when you pass on the same cost to your patients, remember, these are all considered as value addition, and these are actually say visible in services. So remember, if you also need to annually update and upgrade yourself, उसका पैसा कहाँ से आएगा? Remember that. So if you really want to upgrade and update and be abreast with the latest technology, you have to increase your charges in your clinic. Do not keep on sticking to same charges. This is my take home message from this video. So guys, stay tuned. I'll be there with another video very shortly. So do comment and share with your colleagues if you find this video helpful to you. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.